Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a video with you that not only have I never filmed before, but something I haven't done in years, since I was at least 6 years old. And that is apply a set of press-on nails. I'm not talking glue-on nails, I'm talking stick-on nails. Apparently the formula has gotten so much better over the years and people really do use press-on nails regularly, and I just haven't tried them. So I recently picked up a set of nails from Impress. These ones right here, I picked them in a mauve because that's just my favorite color, so I figured I can't go wrong. And I'm going to try them out today. So let's just jump right into it. So I ran to my local Walmart to grab these. They had so many different options, not just colors and patterns, but brands as well. I've heard really great things about Impress, and I liked this polished color the best. I probably won't be using these fancy disco nails, but I will do a whole set of these. Before we start real quick, my nails are super short. I've been rehabbing them after gel. If you saw one of my most recent manicure videos, they're about halfway grown out right now. You can kind of see that the ridges are growing back in. So I've just been growing them and clipping them, growing them and clipping them. And I thought that now would be a really great time to try fake press-on nails while there was nothing really special going on underneath them. And I've heard that these really do not damage your nails at all. And after watching a few tutorials of the removal process, I think that I will be in the clear. When I have been doing regular manicures though, I've been using this Biotin Ultimate Strength polish as a base and top coat. And so far I really like it. Today, no polish, all fake nails. We have the prep pad and a little orange stick. And then I'm going to open the nails. So this kit comes with 30 nails, I think 6 of which are accent nails. Okay, so here is the prep pad, the orange stick, and there's a little file under here as well. Select correct nail size for each finger and lay out in order. Wash hands with soap and water, dry well before using the prep pad. And then it's nice here, they have a little diagram where you can lay out the nails that fit. I just want to read everything before I start. Helpful tips. Always apply both thumbnails last. Good to know. Nails feature pressure sensitive adhesive. The more firmly you press down, the stronger the adhesive will be, resulting in longer wear. If you're in between 2 sizes, choose the smaller size. Prep pad and mini file included. Nails can be filed to desired length and shape after application. And then for removal, it says gently peel off from the sides or dab polish remover between natural nail and press. Wait 1 minute. Removal sounds awesome. It sounds very simple. So what I'm gonna do is pour out all these nails. Like I mentioned, I don't think I'm going to be using these fun ones, although they are really pretty. But I'm just not a fan of having like one accent nail, so put these back. Well, I'm going to lay this out. The tab is the bottom, so that's where you want to test for a fit. This one fits pretty good. I think that's pretty good for a thumb, for a right thumb. Let's see, what number was it? 1. So here is the little diagram. This is going to be my right hand and those are going to be for my left hand. Now my nails are pretty much filed. There's not much more I can do to them. Step 1, we're going to take the prep pad, open it up, rub each nail clean. There really shouldn't be any oils or lotions on my nails. It's always good to cleanse them. Good to go. So we're going to start with the pinky nail for the right hand. Grab this adhesive part here, peel it off. And like they mentioned, the longer you press it, the longer it's gonna last. I'm gonna kind of dig it right into the cuticle area. You can see. Before I really press, make sure it's not overlapping onto the skin anywhere. I think that looks pretty good. And I'm just going to press this into place. All right, that's on. That feels pretty darn secure. Let's do the ring finger. And you can see there's quite a bit of adhesive on the back. We're gonna do the same thing, kind of wedge it into the cuticle there. Once it looks good, press it down. All right, 2 down. Go for the middle finger. I think that looks pretty good. Make sure it's straight. They feel really good. I can't tell if they look really good. I really want them to be stuck down at the cuticle. That's the area that's gonna be really obvious if you're wearing fake nails. I just tested. It's gonna grab your hair and that's gonna drive me insane. Is it just me or do they look like they're gonna pop off? They don't feel like they're going to, I just feel like they look like they're going to. I mean, they are all on. Those are stuck. Let's do the thumbs real quick. Oh, that one applied nice. This might have been the nicest application of the whole manicure. That thumb looks great. Okay, they're all on. They feel super secure. Like, I don't think these are going anywhere, but I do notice around the cuticle for some of them, they're lifting. Like, they look like they could be fake to me. I don't know if I want to change the shape, but I definitely want to file off like the little nub. Here's up close. What do you think? Here, like this one you can tell. All right, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not loving these. I am just a little bit of a nail snob. Like, I can spot fake nails a mile away and I just feel like such a fraud. But to be fair, they really don't look that fake from afar. If you get up super close, like from this angle, you can see they're not 100% attached on the sides. They obviously don't fit perfectly, but they are hard as a rock. These things are not going anywhere. This adhesive is the real deal, and I'm gonna try to wear them for a couple days. I wanna see if they'll last. I wanna see how they wear. I already know, like, I'm positive that they're gonna snag my hair if I run my fingers through my hair, so I'm gonna try to avoid contact with my hair at all costs. Basically just use a brush. And I also have exfoliating gloves that I wear in the shower to exfoliate my skin, but sometimes if my manicure is lifting, I'll wear them when I shampoo my hair, so I'm gonna do that this week as well. This is a great option if you're going to like a one-night event that you just want a quick, fresh manicure for. I mean, they really do look pretty legitimate. I don't think the average eye is gonna catch on, so I am pretty impressed. The application process was so easy. Anyone can manage it, honestly. The hardest part is just finding the nails that fit. I'm pretty happy. I have to say I'm so glad to have nails again. I've really been missing my long nails, and I love that these are not gonna damage my nails when I remove them. I've heard pretty much 0 horror stories, so that makes me happy. When my mom got married, she had nails this color, so every time I see nails like this, I think of her wedding. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have used any press-on nails in the past, not glue-on, but stick-on. I mean, you can tell me if you've used glue-ons that you really like, but I'm looking for something a little less permanent and a little less damaging to the nail. But if you've used any press-on nails in the past, let me know your favorite brand below. I did buy another set from Kiss that I debated using today. They're like a longer almond shape. Maybe I'll do these in my next video, but I thought for the first one I should stick to like a square shape, and I just kind of preferred this color. They were shorter in length as well, so I didn't want to do anything too intense. Give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!